Learn English through story. In an online classroom, where students are sometimes a DP, sometimes a register number, sometimes barely a name, we lost many things. Most importantly, play. The chat box is where students now leave these memories, and we bring to you a small version of something that brought us great joy one afternoon when we told each other a mango story. I love eating unripe mangoes with sugar. But the mango is specific. The ones growing in our home do not satisfy the taste of my sister's mangoes. She lives a few kilometers away from our home. So, one day during lockdown, I have a thirst to eat those mangoes, so I just found a way to travel to my sister's home. I took so many shortcuts so as to not meet with the police. And I did take so many U-turns because so many roads were closed, as it is pronounced as a quarantine zone. Later I reached my sister's home and she was waiting for me with a bag full of unripe mangoes. And I reached home by taking the same route.